Welcome to Shaker Maths. Today we are going to learn 6th class Mathematics Semester 1, 3rd chapter HCF and LCM, exercise 3.7 problems, page number 88. Exercise 3.7, first problem. Find the LCM and HCF of the following numbers and check their relationship. Solution. LCM and HCF by prime factorization method. Problem A. 15 and 24 are divisible by 3. So write these numbers as multiples of 3 as 3 into 5 and 3 into 8. Common factor 3 is called highest common factor HCF, and product of one common factor 3 and remaining factors of 5 into 8 is called LCM, that is 120. Now LCM into HCF is 120 into 3 is 360, and product of numbers 24 into 15 is also 360. Products are same, so we can say that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Now problem B. 8 and 25 are divisible by 1. So write these numbers as multiples of 1 as 1 into 8 and 1 into 25. So common factor 1 is called the highest common factor HCF is equal to 1, and LCM is product of one common factor 1 and the remaining factors 8 and 25. So product of these numbers is 200. Now LCM into HCF is 200 into 1, that is 200, and product of numbers 25 into 8 is also 200. So products are same, so we can say that LCM into HCF is product of two numbers. Now see, 12 and 48 are divisible by 2, 3, 6 and 12. So highest factor is 12. So write these numbers as multiples of 12. So highest common factor is 12. Now LCM, product of one common factor 12 and remaining factors 1 and 4, that is 12 into 1 into 4, that is 48 is LCM. Now LCM into HCF is 48 into 12, that is 576. Product of numbers is 48 into 12 is also 576. So products are same, so we can say that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So problem D. 30 and 48 are divisible by 2, 3 and 6. Highest factor is 6. So write these numbers as multiples of 6 as 6 into 5 and 6 into 8. So common factor 6 is the highest common factor, and LCM is product of one common factor 6 and remaining factors 5 and 8, that is 6 into 5 into 8, that is 240. Now LCM into HCF is 240 into 6, that is 1440. Product of numbers 48 into 30 is also 1440. Products are same, so LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Now second problem. If the LCM of two numbers is 290 and their product is 7250, what will be its HCF? Let A and B are any two numbers. Then product A into B is 7250, LCM is equal to 290. We know that LCM into HCF is equal to A into B. So HCF is equal to AB by LCM. 7250 by 290. 0 or get cancelled. 29 2 ja, 29 5 ja. That is 25. So HCF is 25. Third problem. The product of two numbers is 3276. If their HCF is 6, find their LCM. Solution. Let A and B are any two numbers. Product A into B is equal to 3276. HCF is 6. We know that LCM into HCF is equal to A into B. So LCM is equal to AB by HCF. That is 3276 by 6. 6 5 ja, 6 4 ja, 6 6 ja. That is 546. So LCM is equal to 546. Fourth problem. The HCF of two numbers is 6 and their LCM is 36. If one of the numbers is 12, find the other. Solution. Let A and B are any two numbers. Let A is equal to 12 and B is equal to question mark. LCM is 36, HCF is 6. We know that A into B is equal to LCM into HCF. So the other number B is equal to LCM into HCF by A. That is 36 into 6 by 12. 12 3 ja. 3 into 6 is 18. So the other number is 18. Before going to do the problems 5 and 6, let us observe the concept between LCM and HCF of any two numbers A and B. Let A and B are divisible by C, D, E, F, G, H. Take the highest common factor H. Write A and B in multiples of H into X and H into Y. Now common factor H is highest common factor HCF is H, and LCM is one common factor H and multiple of the other factors X and Y, that is LCM is HXY. So we can write LCM is equal to HCF into X into Y. This is the formula. Here X and Y are the other factors of A and B. Now exercise 3.7, fifth problem. Can any two numbers have 16 as their HCF and 384 as their LCM? Give reasons. Solution. We know that HCF into X into Y is equal to LCM. That is 16 into X into Y is 384. Now X into Y is 384 by 16. On simplification we get 16 1 ja, 16 2 ja, 16 4 ja, that is 24. So it is a whole number. So we can express it as a product of two numbers. So possible factors are 1, 24, 2 and 12, 3, 8, 4, 6. So by multiplying with 16, we get the numbers are 16, 384, 32, 192, 48, 128, 64, 196. Now last problem, sixth. Can any two numbers have 14 as their HCF and 204 as their LCM? Give reasons in support of your answer. We know that HCF into X into Y is LCM. So 14 into X into Y is 204. So X into Y is 204 by 14. On simplification by 2, 2 7 ja, 202. That is 102 by 7, which is not a whole number. So it cannot be expressed as a product of whole numbers. So HCF 14 and LCM 204 are not possible for any two numbers.
Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to subscribe. Say